Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and send a link in Monopoly Go. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, go ahead access your Monopoly Go app in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you can find this kind of interface, right, including this little friends option beside this album in the below right corner. Tap on it. Now you can find this kind of add friends, timeline, a leaderboard kind of interface, including this contacts, Facebook, and invite option given below, right? Go ahead, tap on this invite option, and now you will find this how it works. Invite a friend who has never played before. Your friends joins the game, complete the bar and get the big reward, right? We're gonna go ahead, cross it out, and we're gonna tap on this invite. Now we have got the link. We can simply tap on this copy, and now we have copied the particular link to our clipboard. Now we can simply access any of our social media platforms, and we can choose any of the people over here and simply paste that particular link and share with them. That is how you can simply copy the link. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.